Good afternoon, class. Hello, good afternoon,
Good
class.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
I hope you're all ready with your book so that we can get started. And let's go and meet. Which two people?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to meet which two people?
Prospero and Miranda.
All right, so let's go and hear what are they talking about, right? So we'll be, where are we, by the way? Where are we in the story, in the play? Where
Ma'am, we
are
will
we?
start from line 26.
I meant to say at the place.
Prospero speaks.
Where are we? Are we in the air? Are we
In
on
the
the?
cave.
We're not in the cave. We are. Check out. Where are we?
On the island.
Yes, we need to check out. Where are we? We are on the island. We are in front of the
Island.
cave, isn't it? We are in front of the cave, but we are not inside the cave. So do not get confused in the short question. There can be a problem. And we were listening to the conversation. We were listening to the conversation of Miranda and Prospero. The daughter and the father are in a conversation. They both are talking to each other, and we are kind of playing and we are eavesdropping. We're kind of listening to whatever they are talking about. And we have already covered up that portion where Miranda was very disturbed. If you remember, what was she disturbed about? Which sight disturbed her? What had disturbed her a lot? Which sight? Which scene?
Rest.
Yeah.
The stormy night. And
I'm just
the
thinking.
ship was.
You're coming closer to the answer now. Yes. Exactly. What was it that disturbed her? Just the storm?
And the people on
The people inside the ship.
That the storm is harming the people on the ship. If it were just a storm, maybe she could have enjoyed it. But I think her problem came up when she realized there is a storm and there is a ship stuck in this storm, and people are shouting and crying and maybe probably dying in that storm. That's why, she had requested the father, allay the storm. It was not because she didn't like the storm. It was because the storm was destroying something. It was causing a harm to the ship. And the ship, according to her thinking, her analysis, must have had people on. So therefore, she was disturbed that this storm should be stopped. And how had the father tried to pacify her? What was the father's promise? Give me the line.
That be calm.
There's no harm done.
Okay, give us that line. Very good, very good. Very good, Nisha. Take us to that line. Can you read out that line here and guide everyone? Where is that line found?
Ma'am, line 16.
Very good. Please read that loud.
There's no harm done.
Right? So this was a promise from a father. Now a father would not just speak something in the air. So this is a promise made by the father. No harm done. Do not be amazed. Do not be terrified. There is no harm done. And Miranda was finding it very difficult to believe this. However, maybe she did believe because she thought, after all, my father is saying something and I should believe my father, isn't it? And then Prospero had said that actually you don't know many things. And Miranda had said that it never thought, the thought never came to my mind that there can be some other story behind you and me. I have no idea. So let's hear, we pick up from here and let's see who's taking us to read further. Let's see what important information. There is some story which Prospero is maybe trying to tell Miranda. You want to hear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's all go and hear what Prospero has to tell Miranda. And we'll also learn, what exactly is he telling Miranda. So let's go on in the conversation which is taking place between Prospero and Miranda. Please read on.
This time I should inform thee further.
So
Lend thy hand.
one line at a time. Just a request. I'm so sorry about this. Otherwise, when it gets too many lines, then like I'm unable to take up the explanation. So let's go. At times a line.
Sorry,
No, not at all. You would know. We are all learning together, so that's okay. So Prospero says, it's time. It is time. It is time. I should tell you some stories. I have to give you some more information. He says, हाँ अब वो वक्त आ गया है. मेरा ख्याल है मुझे आपको बता ही देना चाहिए. So I think Miranda must have thought, oh my God, what is my father saying? He wants to tell me something. He's been hiding something from me. So that's what it seems, isn't it? Prospero says, I think बता दूं? नहीं छोड़ो. Have you ever done this? Have you ever done this to your friend or anyone when you say,
Yes,
बता दूं?
ma'am.
बता दूं?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you say,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
and then you say, नहीं बता रहे, छोड़ो रहने दो. And then the other person, please tell, क्या है? What is it? Isn't it? है ना? So I think that's what
Yes,
Prospero is doing. He says, अब वो वाला पार्ट तो तुमको पता ही नहीं है. कौन सा वाला पार्ट? कुछ और भी पार्ट है? I think I should tell you. Maybe you're grown up enough, and maybe today now I can tell you, I can explain to you so many things which I had never told you because maybe you were a small girl, so I never told. So this is the reason why Prospero says, time has come. Time could be because of the situation. Number one, mind you, आंसर याद रखो आज के पेज पर ये थॉट्स लिखने का तो यहाँ नहीं है. What is time? Time here refers to situation. Maybe the situation that is around both of them. Number one. Number two, it could do with her age. That now you are grown up enough, and I can tell you some more things about you and me. Any other thing to do with time? Time could mean it's 3 o'clock and I should tell you something. What do you mean by time here? Time means by the watch, 2 बज गया है, अब बता देना चाहिए. Is it something like that?
No, ma'am.
You getting it? So sometimes the words in the play will not have, actually in literature class, most of the words will not have literal meaning that you can find in the dictionary. No, we won't be able to. In literature, most of the time the words have a contextual meaning coming out of that particular page because of that particular situation. So time, if you ask anyone, if suppose in the examination I ask you what is the meaning of time, and it has happened many times, children write what is shown in the clock. And how many marks should be given for that?
0.
0.
You said it. No, you are giving a 0. I'm not giving a 0. You are much stricter than I am. है ना? I may have thought for a moment, क्या करूँ अब? लिखा तो बच्चे ने सही है, पर ये meaning यहाँ नहीं fit होता. है ना? So this is what, children, I'm trying to tell you, that why you need that register with you, why you need to keep noting certain things which you feel, oh, this is different. This we won't find anywhere. No dictionary, nowhere. So the time here refers to maybe अब तुम बड़ी हो गई हो, है ना? तो अब मैं तुमको I can tell you some things, या वक्त आ गया है, अब जिंदगी में वो वक्त आ गया है that I can tell you some more things. So like I said, time here could refer to the situation in their life, or the other one could be dealing with, see if it's a small baby, child of 2 years, what will you tell that child? Nothing. You will wait. You'll wait. Maybe जब ये बड़ा हो जाएगा तब मैं इसको बताऊँ. So it could have been to do with the age of Miranda. Now she's old enough. Number two, her understanding is good enough. काफी understanding लगती है देखने में कितनी फर्क बातें कर रही थी वो. Number two, it could be the situation in their life. I hope the word time is very clear here. No response?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, do let me know, because otherwise I think maybe it's not clear, then what should I do? So I should inform thee further. So the short question is, why does Prospero think that he can tell further? Short question. लिख लिया करो short questions. Why do you think Prospero says that he can tell further? Why? Answer would be? What would be the answer to this question? Why do you think Prospero says I should inform thee further?
Because he was waiting for the situation to come, and it was the right time, right situation to tell her.
The moment you use this word, that it was now time. Now the correct time had come and you get full marks. So, you know, the way you answered short questions in class 10 was very different. Here, short questions require your analytical skills. You'll have to think for a moment and understand what is the question asking. Remember, the question will not be asking for just small information. It will always be a deep dive, trying to ask something deeper. Okay, so let's move on. Let's see what Prospero more has to say more.
May I read?
Please.
Lend thy hand and pluck my magic garment from me.
Please explain. What do you think he's saying? Try. Anyone?
He would be saying that give me your hand and
wonderful. Lend thy hand means give me your hand. I know she's saying he is maybe holding the hand of the daughter. Just give me your hand. I need your help, right? Yeah. So what, lend thy hand is what? अपना हाथ काट कर मुझे दे दो. ये हाथ मुझे दे दो. आपको something like that. Just remember, you know. Yeah. Is it like that? Ki, you know, cut away your hand and give me. So what is it?
no, to help him.
Help. Exactly. So lend me your hand means, it's an idiom, and it means please help me. ये नहीं है कि, you know, तो कौन था वो? कौन बड़ा famous? Gabbar Singh, yeah. I don't know if you, yeah, है ना? Very famous dialogue of Gabbar, yeah. ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर, ये हाथ मुझे दे दे, है ना? Something like that. So it's not about cut away the hand. He says, I need your help. So Prospero is telling the daughter, lend me your hand. Lend thy hand means please help me. And किस चीज में वो उनकी help ले रहे हैं? Try. See the line and tell me.
To take out that magic mistake.
Yeah. To take out what? To remove what?
The magic garment.
Very good.
From him.
Very good. What comes to my mind is Superman. Is it Superman or Spider-Man? I don't know. Have you watched their movies or just their pictures also?
Yes, ma'am. Avengers.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. I have no idea. I haven't watched all this, but they have a cape. Spider-Man.
Yes,
he has that flying cape behind him. वो पीछे वो उनका पूरा.
Spider-Man का
picture दिखा रहे हो?
Doctor Strange also has.
Picture दिखा रहे हो? No, we let's look at that cape. जो वो cape पहने रहते हैं. Spider-Man का होता है ना, या Superman का है. Superman. I may be confused.
I'm Superman.
Okay, Superman. The one in red. The one in red is that Superman. He has a cape.
Superman.
है ना? He has a cape flying behind him. Yeah, look at that. Blue में भी है. ये ले लो, ये वाला picture अलग है. उनका हाँ ये अच्छा. Yeah. Let's click on this and see if we can get. He has that cape flying behind him. Can you see that red cape flying behind him? Right. Now, this cape, this is the kind of a garment. Then you stay there, stay there. See, we are not studying about Spider-Man. We just need him for little reference. है ना? So, can you see that cape? वो जो उनका उड़ रहा है ना? वो जो red उड़ रहा है. That whole cape, that shawl.
Yes,
It's called a cape, C-A-P, right? So basically, what was it that Prospero had a cape like this? He was wearing a cape like this. उन्होंने भी एक ऐसा का चोगा, ऐसा सा एक garment पहना हुआ था जो ऐसे उड़ रहा था. Okay, come, let's come back. You can remove the picture. Thank you so much. So what is he saying to Miranda? That what is the request to Miranda? What is the help he needs?
To pluck.
Lend thy
out
hand.
Pluck means what? Remove.
Take off.
Take off.
Take off. So he says, Miranda, ये जरा सा यहाँ से ये मेरा cape हटा दो, पीछे से पूरा ऐसे करके cape हटा दो. So he is like he's wearing that cape. He's wearing, and what is he calling that cape? What is he calling that cape? What is that?
Magic garment.
Magic garment.
Magic garment. Right. So he wears that cape, and then he does magic. Or maybe that cape has magical powers. I don't know.
Yes,
But he wears that cape. So पहन लेते हैं. So he can even create a storm. क्या बात है? क्या magical powers. Miranda ने बताया था ना that father ये आपने करा. अच्छा. If we go by Miranda's talk, then the father wore the cape, and then he says abracadabra, abracadabra, and like and the storm started. So now he says what? The request is to Miranda, please help me do what? Remove.
Take off the
Take off.
magic garment. Not to remove.
So we'll go by the line of the book if the line is clear. So the request is to pluck the magic garment from me. The more you will keep using the words of the book, the better you will be in your marks. Meaning is okay just to understand. Meaning don't use. Whenever you write an answer, please use the word of the book. This ensures you get full marks. Therefore, meaning is only for your understanding, not to be used. Until unless asked. कभी ये क्वेश्चन है इसका मीनिंग लिखो तो मीनिंग लिखते ना, नहीं तो मीनिंग इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. What is required is if you can say request. What is the request made by Prospero? He says to Miranda, lend me your hand and help me pluck away my magic garment. You heard my answer?
Garment.
You heard my answer? More than
Yes,
80%, more than 80% were my words or the words of the book?
Words of
The words of the book.
Words of the book. So that's the secret. That's what I'm covering up along with you so that you keep learning how to answer from play. You have already done Salvatore. You have understood the poem, you know what to do. But this is a little new for you. So therefore, I'm going a little slow also with you till you become perfect and then we'll speed up. Clear till here? So he says, ये मेरा जरा magic garment हटाना. Please remove this and please take us further. Let's hear more.
So, lie there, my art.
So then it is removed.
Wipe thou thine eyes.
Wait. So let's understand. He removes that magical garment and then he puts it away. It's like he removes and he puts it away. And he says, lie there. He's talking to whom now in this line?
I mean, magical
To the
garment.
magical garment.
Good. You see the short question? And you can get
Yes,
confused.
ma'am.
Some of us can write to Miranda. Yes. If we are not clear about every
Exactly.
line, we may end up writing answer to Miranda, because basically he's talking to Miranda. But my question was, whom is he talking to when he says, lie there my art? He's talking to his magical garment.
Magical garment.
Magical garment. So are you getting that clarity, children? How you need to study the play? You need to be very clear. You'll have to get into this, like spider and fly. We have to get into it. Then only we understood. Scene 1, we were into it. We understood Antonio, Gonzalo, everybody very well. Here also, it's like two new people. We are meeting two new characters. We'll have to understand what's happening here. ये लोग कौन हैं, क्या हैं, कैसे हैं, अच्छे हैं कि बुरे हैं, है ना? So we are now we have two new people in our class. It's like new admission. In our own 11A we have new admission, है ना? ये तो अभी ऑनलाइन हो तो अभी मिल नहीं पा रहे हो, नहीं तो अगर अभी फिजिकल क्लासरूम में होते तो वो जो 2-3 नए बच्चे आए थे, है ना? Raise your hands, all the newcomers here. I don't see the blue hand going up. Yes, Srishti. Yes, we have some more, or maybe they're not logged in today. Yes, Mahanika. Great. I don't know if Saksham is there with us or not. Maybe he's not been able to log in. So thank you for raising your hand. So what I mean is that, or maybe we even have children from other sections whom we had never met earlier. You can put away your blue hand. So he says, lie there my art. He says, Sahib, magical garment, you stay there. Can you know what question I'm going to ask next? From this only. Can anybody tell me the question I'm going to ask next? Answer नहीं. Question क्या पूछने वाले हैं हमारे दूसरा? Lie there my art. Can you enter my mind and
The
see?
art Prospero referring.
Okay, very good. What is the art that he is referring to? Very good. Any other question? Wonderful question. One more.
To what he says to lie there.
कुछ सा हमने scene 1 में करा था. Lie there my art.
Figure of speech.
Question Bana.
What is the figure of speech used in the line, lie there, my art?
You all agree to that question? You all agree to that lovely question asked?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there a figure of speech coming in here?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
now should I ask you the answer or let the answer, forget the answer?
Ma'am, you can
Answer
ask
की
the
जरूरत
answer.
है? Answer की जरूरत है या you think the answer is required here? See, if you
No,
can,
ma'am,
if you
that's
can
not
make
bad.
the question, if you can make the question, I won't ask you answers. Because if you can make the question means you are clear about the answer. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So I want you to be doing what now onwards?
To make the questions.
Exactly. Answers to पूरी जिंदगी लिखते रहे हो बेटा. Do something new. Enter my mind and start creating questions. Was it very difficult when it was just done? Look what Mohit said. What is the art? Very simple, great question. Hai na? So the answer, art is magical garments here, His magic is the art here. Second question asked was, what is the figure of speech in this line? Chalo, answer batai do. For many who may not know. Hai na?
Personification.
Personification. He's personified what?
Personifying the
His
magical
magical garment.
He's talking to the garment. है ना, he is talking to a garment lie there.
living thing.
है ना, he is converting garment, magical garment, as if it's some living thing and saying, तुम यहाँ बैठो थोड़ी देर, मैं जरा मिरांडा से बात कर लूँ. You know, he's taken off his cape and he says, ऐसा है, my art, थोड़ी देर यहाँ बैठो, काम करो, I'm going to talk with my daughter. So that was personification. He personified the magical garment and he talked to it as if it was some living thing, a friend telling that, Ruko, I'll talk to you later. Is your level going higher? Do you feel class 11?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you feel class 11 or you still feel class 10? है ना? Class 11 is higher. Higher. You know, your mind is opening up. And ready yourself. That's why I've said I'm going slow with you. Already you've done the project, you know, that was class 11 level. And now your understanding is also going a little higher. The speed is okay? Or am I
Yes,
fast?
ma'am.
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
Am I fast? Then let me know. I'll slow down a little bit. And if it's very slow, then I can even become faster. See, I can do things like this, but I have to match it to your understanding. जब आपको सब बातें क्लियर होने लगेंगी, फिर हमें कुछ बताना ही नहीं पड़ेगा. Then maximum things you will. अब देखो क्वेश्चन भी आपने बना दिए. अब तो हम क्वेश्चन भी नहीं बनाया करेंगे. अब तो you people will be making questions. And nobody will work answers. सिर्फ questions बनाया करेंगे. Answer तो automatic. Okay, carry on. Next line was?
Wipe thou thine eyes.
Now you see, you understand why I am taking small portions. Because within 3 words, everything changes. Lie there, my art. If we go in a hurry, we will not know whom he was talking to. Now you're clear? Those 3 words he was talking to art.
Yes, ma'am.
After he personified. Now, wipe thou thine eyes, he is talking to?
Miranda.
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 Lovely. Great. You make me happy. You know, you can see how happy I am. I'm so happy when I'm with you all, because the kind of energy that you bring and the excitement. Though I'm tired, but you people bring happiness in my eyes. You know, can you see it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं तो किसी दिन अगर आप लोग नहीं होंगे तो मैं ऐसे बैठे हूँ. So it's all in your hands. You want me to look happy, it's in your hands. Okay, and I'll make you happy, definitely. Wipe down my eyes. Oh, who's been crying?
Miranda.
Miranda.
वो बेचारी, इसका मतलब परसों से रो रही है. Father, look at, रो भी रही थी. इसका मतलब, tears. I couldn't do that. I'll have to put glycerine. वो movies में लगा देती. Wipe down my eyes, my dear daughter. Wipe your tears. रो मत. अच्छा, मैं तुमसे बात करता हूँ. My art, you sit here. I'm talking to my daughter just now. Wait here. My daughter, wipe your tears. Don't cry. Don't cry. अरे, it says running out of time. इतनी जल्दी टाइम निकल जाता है. Do you feel the same?
Yes, ma'am.
It says running out of time already.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyways, have comfort, my daughter. Have comfort. Father, those people are dying. So I think she must be sobbing and crying. And तभी तो उन्होंने कहा, अच्छा रुको, मैं तुमसे बात करता हूँ. I think वक्त आ गया है. I must tell you something. She just said, she must be confused. Wrong? Yeah. Should I ask, what is it that you have to tell me? So the father says, okay, wait. Just take off this magical garment and let me put it there. And magical garment, you stay here. अभी मुझे आपकी जरूरत नहीं है. मुझे अपनी बेटी से बात करनी है. And now he starts talking to the daughter. Have comfort, my dear daughter. Relax. Please don't cry. Wipe off your tears. Wipe off your tears. Let's hear more what the father has to say.
have comfort. The direful spectacle of the wreck which touched.
Let's do a little more.
I have to proceed, ma'am. The very virtue of compassion in thee.
Okay.
I have
yeah,
with
yeah. I
such
think
provision
from
in my
here. I
heart.
think it'll get too long then. I think pick it up. He needs to say that hold his kid. Yeah, yeah. Amakshi, I just saw that. I just saw that. I forgot about it. So now he says, "My daughter, have comfort. The direful spectacle, that terrible and tragic scene which you just saw, the tragic and the terrible scene of the ship sinking and being dashed to pieces in that storm that you saw, that spectacle, that scene, direful, terrible, tragic, sad, dreadful, it says here. That scene which you saw, and that scene of a shipwreck in which the ship was wrecked, the ship was dashed to pieces. वो जो आपने scene देखा था, that scene which you saw, which has इधर ही होता है ना heart, हाँ, which has affected your heart. That scene, that terrible, dreadful scene of a shipwreck in which the ship was dashed to pieces. That scene has touched compassion in your heart. That made you very kind. That brought out love in your heart. That brought out kindness, compassion in your heart. It brought out the virtue, the quality of kindness in your heart. Just as you saw that scene, immediately you were filled with pain, you were filled with sadness for them. So that direful spectacle brought out the quality, the virtue of kindness in your heart. This is what had happened to her. You agree with what Prospero is saying?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the effect of, now the question, what was the, अभी मैं थोड़ा question बताती जाऊंगी so that you will learn how to frame questions, है ना? What was the direful spectacle? Number one. Quick answer. What was the direful spectacle? Answer.
It was
It
the
was the
scene
dreadful scene
in which the ship
wrecked and
was
broken into
dashed.
pieces.
I'm not asking the meaning. I'm not asking the meaning. I'm asking what was the direful spectacle?
The drowning of the ship.
The sinking and the breaking of the ship was the direful spectacle. Children, this is why I'm trying, a lot of questions so that you will learn. कि कई बार हम, we aim and we aim wrong. And we maybe, see, this is what it is. Class 10, you were giving meanings. And you were giving meanings. This time, it's not meanings. The word of the book is being used as a simple question. You don't have to give the meaning of direful spectacle here, but you have to give the answer. कि वो कौन सा scene था, वो कौन सा terrible scene था? The answer is the terrible, the direful spectacle was the breaking, Mohit brought out, the breaking and the sinking of the ship. You getting clearer? Keep noting down wherever possible the questions, keep noting down in your classwork so that you get used to it, so that you can actually go along them. So you will get used to it. And my second question. After seeing the direful spectacle, what was the effect? What was the effect on Miranda according to Prospero? After seeing the direful spectacle, listen to that very carefully now. After seeing the direful spectacle, what was the effect on Miranda? Mind my question. According to Prospero, what was the effect of the direful spectacle on Miranda? My question is, according to Prospero. Just try, right and wrong, doesn't matter.
It touched the
She
very
was
virtue of
worried.
compassion.
Mohit Kumar, full marks. Mohit Kumar, full marks. Question is according to Prospero. The effect of the direful spectacle on Miranda is she cries. Miranda ने खुद ही बता दिया है ना? Now my question had a special part and it said that according to Prospero. So Prospero has just told us that when she watched that direful spectacle, it had touched the virtue of compassion in her heart. How many of you were coming to this answer? Evaluate yourself. Evaluate yourself.
She was worried about the life of people inside the ship.
Now, this is character. If my question said that what can you make out about the character of Miranda from her reaction, then what you said is your answer. Then the answer is what? That she's a person who worries even for strangers. She has kindness in her heart even for strangers. 3 different questions. One, it can be, what is the effect of the direful spectacle on Miranda? Variable answer. She cries, she says this, she says that. Same question may if I say, what is the effect of the direful spectacle on Miranda according to Prospero? Then you have to go by what Prospero is saying. Third question in the same. From the way the direful spectacle affects Miranda, what can you make out about Miranda's character? Another question. Are you clear on the 3 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Are they 3 different things?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? That's why I'm taking up, questions along with it. So then and there you will know. See, we are not here to understand the meaning of the lines written here. They have no place in the answer. If we don't understand what is the question that can come out of this line, then you will be amazed when you will do the questions, in the exam. So therefore, is it all right that I keep taking